Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, construct a minimal DFA which accepts set of all string over a comma b in which every a is followed by a b. It means if after every a there should be a b. So if in a string if you are having a then after every a there should be a b. But if there is a no a, no restriction is given. It means if you are not having a, you no need to take care anything. It can have anything. Okay, if it is not having a, it can have anything like b, any number of b. The only restriction here it is saying that in which every a is followed by a b. If there is a, then after a there should be a b. It means that. Okay. So in this language, it is containing epsilon. It is containing epsilon. Why? Because there is no a. If there is no a, it's fine. Only restriction is if there is a, then after a there should be a b. Now b, only b, yeah, belongs to the language. Why? Because there is no a. Any number of b belongs to the language. So only restriction if a is there, then there should be b. 2a is not allowed because after a it should be b. So a, b, again any number of b, fine. A, b, again a, then b. After a it should have b. Otherwise it can have anything. See, in which every a is followed by a b. If a is there in this string, then after a there should be a b. But if no a is there, it can have anything then. So epsilon belongs to the language. So how we need to construct? We make initial state as final state. And again, if you are getting any number of b, fine. So keep a loop of b, accept it. Because any number of b belongs to the language. Epsilon belongs to the language. If you are getting a, then go there. Then after a, it should be a should be followed by a b. Then if it is having b, accept it. But after if it again having a, reject it. It is not allowed. 2a not allowed. Then it should go to date state. After reaching date state, if you are getting anything, be there. Now see, a b you have given. Here for this state also you have given the transaction for a and b. Here also you have given. So after reaching this state, let us assume this is Q1, this is QF. After getting A, if you are getting again A, now it's no more, A is not followed by B. So you are going to this. But after getting A, if you are again getting B, accept it. Again any number of B, fine, like A, B, B, B. Okay.